run some tests. I wanna run this test, just OQA, because we can edit OQA SPC, which looks pretty crazy. All tests are here. We can modify it, we can add it if you know the names. The names are displayed when we run the test in normal way, like always, like we do it every time. After we read the report, we can see the name of the test, and then we can add here to the list, like the last one, that WFM8 blah 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 is from, if I remember correctly, is 178 probably, yeah. So I added because I find the name, and then I added to the list, and it's gonna run from that list. Yeah, I have to modify a little because it doesn't want to run, like remove it something from the list, blah blah blah, but yeah, it's possible to run it. Anyway, let's run it. Okay, I ran it before, like 2 times, but I wanna be sure that we are good. This test is a pretty nice, because it's gonna do, it did already. Okay, it's blinking, but that's not important. This one here, but no, yeah, it's testing the voltage on 2 lines, the power lines, yeah, for the core MS and NV, step by step, and checking the analog data converter, yeah. Run it. Okay. Go quickly through. It's showing everything, yeah, like always, every single test. Blah blah blah. Here's some new shit. I don't know. Not good. I like it. Oh, and this one, this is the thing which we're talking about. It's stepping through it, and then it's zooming and sending, like, collecting 192 samples per analog data converter, and accepting this, I think it's percentage. So, and the average was 80.125. So yeah, it's good, I believe. Okay, yeah, works. And also our test. And look, guys, that was the most important part which I was interested. It is gonna show the power and voltage which is related to real world, not something from the space, if they are working in conjunction or whatever. Yeah, but you know, it's good. Okay, I have here 3090 RTX 3090 from some manufacturer, gigabyte, and it gets blown uS5650Q on front, and then the one on used on the back didn't look this way, but was blown as well. But I ran out of uS5650Q, so I decided to put there and something, I forget the name because I always forgetting, NCP45491. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, they are almost the same. And this pinout looks cool, and the same, exact the same pinout. Yeah, but they have some tricky configuration, namely the mode selection pin, and how they act depending on the mode selection pin. Here is another one. Standalone, no, we are interested this one. Bank. Okay, yeah. So yeah, let's say that I have two US. On the back, the guy was grounded, is connected to ground, the mode selection, and on the front, at which we can even see it here, because this one is a plus 3.3, yeah, the high level, and here is, no, this is this is the common trace, which are going to 27, I believe, pin, and here is a plus, here is a plus 3.3 volts, and here is a ground. So here is a pulling up resistor with, and here will be pulling down resistor. But this was configured as device A, yeah, because it's ACC, and on the back was device B. So when I placed it MCP, then the front one, which was on the pulled high 3.3, become also device B. Yeah, and that make big issue, because they cannot, how they are, oh, it's here, I believe. I have to move back. Oh, it's so nice, but yeah, how this thing is working actually. Where is it? Yeah, so first is device A. Doesn't matter because they are not communicating with each other, but first the core receives the data from a device A, then is quiet, and again device B is read it. The same actually is for this guy. Yeah, exactly the same. Oh, we can see it here. Yeah, first A and then B. So when two of them becomes B, then everything's get confused, and I get this reading because I tried. Yeah, I just placed it NCP and see, and let's check what's happened, whatever. And yeah, this happened. Just big BS, big BS, bullshit. Let's call the thing by the name. Okay, yeah. So when I see this one, I decided to check the rest components around, and at the end of the day, I found. Yeah, this is after. Oh, sorry. Yeah, not. I didn't change the component around yet. No, too fast. Yeah, this was reading when I just placed the NCP on the front. Yeah. So I decided to swap this resistor, yeah, because right now is as device NCP was here, yeah. So then it's no good, yeah. I believe it wasn't good. I decided to make him device A. Quickly. Somewhere. Oh. It's here. Yeah. So I just moved the resistor from here, yeah, because it was pulled high to be pulled low, and he become device A automatically. And I didn't touch the one of the back on the back because was not needed. He remains B. I ran out of them, and I first solder the one on the back, and then I was maybe I'm gonna find something on the donor board, but no luck. And I have like brand new, like 10 of them now, 9, and so I decided, okay, let's try it. Maybe I'm gonna figure something, and it's gonna work. And it's working. So I place it, changed the address, but after this thing, I get this reading. So it was like 9 volts, some 6, another BS bullshit. Let's go this way. Oh, go. Yeah, you can guys see here. Yeah, pretty nice. 9999. So I dig it more, and I found some schematic from 3070, but there is one resistor in the voltage divider. All of them has that voltage. Where is it? To measure the power, the voltage rail. Stop.
we have those two resistors, this voltage divider. In many cases, they are 80, 68.1 kilo and 750 ohms. This guy. But I found one schematic on 3070 when this 750 ohms is 1 kilo ohm actually. So I placed the 1 kilo ohm in this place where I have this one pretty nicely indicated somewhere. No, I have to run the wires, but this one I will explain it later. Oh, here. Okay. Yeah. So I replaced all of them on each channel for 1 kilo instead of 750. I mark them on this picture. I'm gonna link the picture somewhere. Yeah, this one is also 750. This guy here. Yeah. And also on the blue, yeah, and the green, I don't know why I marked this one, this 100 ohms, but okay. The blue one has the 750 on the back, and this guy here on the red is 750 or 1 kilo for another channel. So I replaced all of them to 1 kilo ohms, and I get pretty nice readings. Where is it? Here. Not here. Not here. Yeah, here. All works well after this replacement, and of course I make a lot of tests. I make many mod maths tests, and everything looks like works perfectly fine. Nothing is wrong completely. So yeah, it's possible to mix them, but we have to remember that those model selection has to be changed. Even if you would like to place, if we would like to place two NCP probably instead of uS5650, then we need to remember that we have to switch the model selection, because core or whatever driver will receive the data which is assigned to device A from device B, and vice versa. So we have to remember to switch those two and check if the voltage is okay. If not, then just change that one resistor, and that's supposed to work. I never tried to replace two of them, but if mix of them works, then probably they will be good. So when can be actually exchangeable with some kind of small modification. Yeah, actually everything works good, and yeah, I will show this one when I'm gonna run the test. Pretty much that's it.